Hey everybody, Jeff Esposito here from jeffesposito.com to do a vlog today to talk about one of the hottest buzzwords in social media, which is social business. Now while it's a buzzword, I think it's really going to take a few years before this gets out of the buzzword area and moves more into the commonplace practice, which by that point it'll probably be called something a lot different. Now I know a lot of people have different views about social business, but to me it's the actual convergence of not only the outbound communications of where companies are dealing with their customers on platforms they're comfortable with, but it's also enabling these customers to share in the innovation process and also share what their purchases are. Inside an organization, it's actually getting everybody to collaborate with each other, working across locales and business functions. So it's something that's been really interesting to me and something I've tried to wrap my head around is looking to kind of implement it going forward. I sat in, and one of my thoughts on this is the fact that it's going to take probably 2 to 3 years of this. So when I saw the Community Roundtable was hosting a webinar with Edelman's Michael Brito about social business, I've read his book, I like his writing and about all the things of social business, I figured let's check it out. I was very interested to see that the majority of the folks that were in on the call actually were in that same spot. We knew what social business was, but thought it was going to take time to get there. So I finally got around to reading a recent research report by Deloitte and MIT Sloan Business Management School. So if you click the link down below in this post, you'll be able to see the report as well as Michael's webinar from the other day. One of the things that was interesting about it was that the poll surveyed over 3,500 employees and executives across 115 countries asking about their thoughts about social business. To kind of mirror towards that, a little bit over 50% saw it as something important right now, but looking 3 years down the line, it really jumped up to about a little bit over 86% wanting this to be important 3 years from now, which is very cool. And there's a lot of great examples in there where it gets into like how HP does things, how Dell does things, and how they look at not only the organization operating, but also how each little part ties into that whole customer experience and how they can make it better, which in turn makes more money, which everybody, employees and customers, are happy about in some way, shape, or form. One of the most telling things about the Deloitte report was that it said 70% of efforts failed due to a lack of strategy and measurable results. So I think as a lot of us get into this space and start looking towards here, it's really leaning on the companies and looking at case studies of how Dell's done it, how the HP's done it, and how, while our companies are probably never going to be like them, how they compartmentalized it and made it so it can move forward. So I definitely think it's a great area that's been talked about. And I think Michael Brito does great work with what he's doing in his blog, his book, and also what they're doing at Edelman, sharing case studies. But I think for the greater masses, while everybody sees the importance of this, it's really going to take getting the 2 to 3 year timetable where business is ready to catch up to social business. Because I think in the long run, social media is still, people can't measure the hell out of what they're doing on social. So I think to really add an additional layer internally, outside of externally, will probably take a little bit more time. So I'm going to close it with asking you the question of, what do you think? Is your business ready for social business? And two, do you think that it's something that will be realistic in the next 2 years, or is it something that's going to be able to be implemented right now? I'd be interested to hear from that, and I have some theories on where it would rank in other areas as well. But for example, I think startups, it's probably easier to get to that social business because it saves money. The mid-sized companies with not a lot of discretionary spending, it's probably going to take a little bit longer. Large companies with giant mega budgets that can really take risks and that don't track back to revenue, they're going to get it as well. So where do you fall on that spectrum? Where do you think this is going to be? Or is it going to be something that's 3 years down the road? So think about that and definitely check out the resources below with some of the key takeaways I plugged into there. So Jeff Esposito from Jeff Esposito signing off and saying, look forward to hearing your results.